Ma'am, sorry. Sorry, but you can't go in.
Away from me. Don't close that door. A little birdie told me may problema sa construction ng Lunares.
Trina, ang tanda mo na. Pero gullible ka pa rin.
Kung matanda ako, paano ka pa?
Alam mo, Trina, I have no time for your childish banters dahil marami akong trabaho at inaasikaso.
Like saving your ass from embarrassment? I know what you did, Mia. Pabida-bida ka pa sa board when you took over the company. Sinabi mo na malaki ang savings ng Pacifica. But what the board doesn't know is that you fired the field engineers and architect. Nag-iisip ka ba, Mia? Kung gusto mo mag-cost cutting, you fire the sales and marketing. You can even fire the designers, but not the engineers. Sila ang lifeline ng real estate. Wala ka talagang alam sa pagpapatakbo ng kumpanya.
I'm addressing the issue.
If I were you, I'd step down as CEO bago pa tuluyan sumadsad ang kumpanya ng daddy ko.